Where's our lady gone? Oh. She's up there. What are you doing up there, babe? Sometimes they've started trying to do some more eggs again. Sometimes when that happens, she likes to get to a high surface. And this is probably the high surface of her cage. Hopefully she won't try and lay any up there. But I have an assumption that's probably why she goes up there. What are you doing? Yeah, I put newspapers over the areas where they tend to poo, so it keeps the main flooring pretty clean and tidy. Need to give them a bit more egg food later. And as you can see, she's only got small seeds in there at the moment. Took all the big seeds out so that she doesn't overeat them, throw up. You gonna sit on those 2 eggs for now, babe? I do love how they gradually move themselves over them. I'll have to clean her nest at some point because I found a mountain of old poo earlier that I cleaned out. But I'm going to have to remove all the zip ties and give it a proper clean. May do that tomorrow. Don't think she's going to lay any eggs tonight. They've only been starting for a day. Oh, Jesus. No, there's only 2 there. I thought she just laid one. There you go, you can be now. Have a lovely day, everybody.